right, good afternoon, viewers. Today is the 7th of June 2020. It's an afternoon, and this is a very different kind of a mentorship success video. We are joined with Ms. Yashashree Madiwale, if I pronounce your name right. And this success story is not about wealth, but it's about health. She has recently recovered 100% from the recent COVID-19 thing, which is bothering all of us around. So we thought that let's get her along and hear from her stories of how she dealt with this virus and how we should be careful ourselves. So, ma'am, thank you for sharing your story with us. Before we start, I would request you to please um, tell us more about you, which part of the city you are, so that we all connect with you better.
Yeah, I stay in Worli, Mumbai. Worli was the first place to be attacked by the COVID. So everywhere around me, like Worli, Koliwada, Worli, near Jijamata, everywhere there was like many of COVID patients. I stay in a gated community where we have within the complex Sarkari Bhandara, and all the groceries used to come till house. I really don't know how I got this, because I had not gone out of my gate, out of my complex. I had not gone anywhere, and I have taken all the precautions like what we all usually take, washing everything from vegetables to everything by soap. I did all. Then even those homeopathy medicines, whoever used to tell, he take these arsenic and whatever medicines were there, we actually took everything. When on 18th, I was developing some like cold and cough. And I am very much prone to cold and cough because I stay near sea face, and I am prone to colds and cough. So I just thought it is a normal thing. But my husband was also having fever for 5-6 days. So he went for the test. So I just told with it, because there is a lot of problem with the prescriptions, because doctors were not giving prescriptions for the COVID test. So one of the GP, who is a very senior auntie, so I told her, since you're giving to Rajan, give me also one. She said, "Arey, you don't have beta koi fever, symptoms hi nahi hai, little cough and cold, why you want to take?" I said, "No, give me, because Rajan is having fever, so I just want to take the test." When I went there, that girl also told me, "Arey, why you require?" I said, "Arey, karo na, tumko kya hai karne mein?" Then Rajan was negative with his fever. I was positive. And when his report came negative, I was so happy. I said, "चलो party करते हैं अभी, क्योंकि you are negative, I am तो 100% negative. मेरे को तो कुछ है ही नहीं करके." Then he said, "नहीं, wait for your report." My report, his report came at 6 o'clock. My report came by 10 o'clock. Then I got little worried. अरे मेरा report क्यों नहीं आ रहा है करके. Then report came कि I am positive. So first I was shocked कि अरे ये क्या हो गया करके. And we see so many deaths around now. Like people are glorifying the deaths of COVID patients. कि अरे ये मर गया, वो मर गया. Then you are a little worried. So for a moment I was worried. कि what will I do now? And I said, okay, I'll quarantine. When Rajan was not well, I had quarantined him in one room. And I have an 88-year-old mother-in-law who I was taking care of. Like उनको nebulizer देना है. But I used to put a mask and do that. She was she doesn't have any problem as such. But then I thought I'll just shift to one of my neighbor's place, which was vacant. I don't want any of them to have any issues. BMC told me I can get quarantined in my home itself. You don't have to come out of your room. You cannot come out of your room, and you use a separate bathrooms and all. But then with 88-year-old mother-in-law, Rajan not well, I said I'll better shift to some other place. So in my building only, I shifted to the 4th floor flat. And Rajan was having this fever, so I admitted him to Raheja. Then I shifted back to my place. And my mother-in-law, I appointed one nurse to look after my mother-in-law. Now here, people were calling me up so many times. कैसे हो गया? कैसे हो गया? So I said, I don't know कैसे हो गया. अभी हो गया है मेरे को. I just have to get well.
people जो आपको last 2, 3, 5 साल में भी नहीं call किया होगा, they also would have called you now.
Exactly.
But
And
Mac,
everybody wanted
when
to
you
know.
got this cough and cold, was it different from the usual cough and cold, or was it the same?
It was different. Usually my cough and cold attacks are so big that I cannot sleep or like always. But this was very milder,
So was
very
it
milder.
running nose or more of cough?
Um, it was just little blocked nose.
Little blocked nose.
Huh.
Okay.
Like
But
no
you did
major
not have any
symptoms.
fever.
My fever was 99.
That's it.
That's it.
So you felt a little shiver or no? Just mild,
No,
very mild. Which
very
which
mild.
we when you have a cough and cold.
Actually, my these symptoms, na, any other time I would have overlooked.
Okay.
Because
Sure.
change of weather usually I
Happens.
have these symptoms. So I
True.
because of COVID thing I went for the test.
Correct.
कि
Okay.
अरे COVID है तो हम भी देखते हैं करके.
And how
And
was your quarantine time? Did you see the cold getting worse? Did you get fever or was it just normal?
no, it was getting worse sometimes.
Okay.
Then I have many friends who are doctors actually. So
That's
they
good.
were just boosting me कि you stay at home. You just go on drinking water, hot
Okay.
water. I used to
Hot water.
drink 3 bottles of hot water, 1 bottle of ginger water. Then all
Okay.
those kadas, everybody
Yeah.
used to send me.
Tulsi.
My friend used to send me kadas and all. So I used to
Right.
have that. Then one of my doctors told me, ginger khao, chaba chaba ke. I used to
Okay.
have that. But then the first thing I noticed was there was no smell coming from my coffee. I'm a coffee drinker.
Oh, you
So
could not smell your coffee.
yeah, I could not. And that time I thought कि अरे मेरे को कुछ problem है करके.
Okay.
So the
But
smell
physically
was
it did not bother you. You were not uncomfortable.
not at all,
Not
not
at
at all,
all.
not at all. And
Okay.
then when I got to know कि I have COVID, that time
Uh,
na I was so worried that I had oximeter which my mother-in-law we use for mother-in-law. I took it for myself, and then every now and then I was checking my oxygen. कि कितना जा
okay.
रहा है कितना जा रहा है. Then I thought कि my friend who is an anesthetist, she told me you sleep on stomach तो तुम्हारा ऑक्सीजन बराबर रहेगा. Then I thought कि उल्टा करके देखते हैं कितना नीचे जाता है. कितना मतलब
Okay.
आई शुड
Yeah.
नो ना कितना नीचे जाएगा मेरा. देन आई सेड कि
Yeah.
नहीं मेरा तो 96 है करके. सो आई एम गुड लाइक. एंड
Right.
देन 98 7 98 था मेरा ऑल द टाइम. But 2 3 days were really bad. Like there is nobody around you. That quarantine period is very bad.
So it's
कि
more
कोई
like a
साथ में नहीं.
psychological, right?
Yeah. Then you require all those people who actually are such friends who will joke with you when you are not well on your
Yes.
symptoms.
So after let's get to know about how the health department dealt with you after you came to know that you have COVID positive. What was the steps taken by the doctors, the authorized departments? Did they give you any medicines, etc.?
Uh, these BMC people, they had come to my house. So when she
Okay.
saw me, I'm usually in my track pants and t-shirt. So she thought it must be some patient, exam 55-year-old, some patient is there who is not well. I was carrying my stuff down because I don't want anybody to get contaminated. So I had my tray where I was having clothes and this. I'll go to the downstairs flat. She saw me on the way, like, so she was not using the lift, and I also thought I don't want to use the lift. I'll go by stairs.
Correct.
करके. They said कि अरे आपको प्रॉब्लम है. I said yeah, I'm the patient करके. They said अरे तुमको तो कुछ नहीं लग रहा है. So what have you decided? I said I don't want to get hospitalized because कुछ है ही नहीं मुझे. And
बिल्कुल.
my cousin who is a gynec, she said कि you stay at home. When you're with the people, तुमको कुछ problem नहीं रहेगा.
Right.
Then they asked me for hydroquinone which they give. But previously, some 25 years back, I had this malaria where I was given quinine, and which
Okay.
had given me a reaction. So
Okay.
the very first time when they mentioned in news that hydroquinone should be used, that time
Yeah.
only I had told everybody in the family that I cannot use them because I have a reaction
Because
to that.
yeah.
Yeah. So I told the doctor that I cannot take that, and she said, okay, that's fine. Like and I got cured without any of those medicines.
So you did not take any medicines, vitamin
I took
C?
one, no, vitamin C I've been taking for last 3 months. My
Okay,
vitamin D3, then zinc supplement, everything I was taking. Maybe because of that, my symptoms were much lesser.
very low, maybe. So these
Huh.
last 3 months you were taking these supplements because of the COVID thing, or this is your by like your nature, you take supplements for your age?
Vitamin C by nature I'm taking for quite long time. One
Okay,
tablet at least, on and off I'm taking them because I get cough and cold.
okay, right. But उससे कुछ फायदा होता नहीं है because you said you get a cough and cold quite often.
Yeah. But then yeah, I get and then vitamin C has that very good thing on your skin. So I said कि चलो ऊपर से
Okay,
vitamin C ले लेते हैं, उससे उससे कुछ
चलो
फायदा हो
कुछ तो
जाएगा तो
दिखेगा.
हाँ
So
कुछ
you
तो किधर तो दिखेगा.
you've been taking vitamin C, you've been taking vitamin D and zinc supplements also for the last 3 months,
Yeah,
considering the COVID scenario which is around, and that's why
yeah,
you think maybe the symptoms were not as exaggerated as
yeah,
it would have been for other person.
yeah, yeah.
So are you health-wise? How's your history? Like you said you're 55 years old.
Yeah, I don't have diabetes. I have BP, but I don't have
Okay.
diabetes.
You are
Yeah,
a trader, so you might have a little bit of BBP, little bit of here and there. That's all right.
yeah, yeah,
But
yeah.
overall, health-wise, you would consider yourself fairly healthy, right?
Yeah, very healthy as such.
So no medicines, hot
No medicine.
water,
Only. No. I took this Vicodin for my cough. My sister told me, you have to treat your symptoms because there is no
right?
medicine for this. So you make
Okay,
sure that your temperature doesn't go above 100. Then
okay,
your cough symptoms are like they are not worsening. So
okay.
she advised me to take Vicodin 3 times a day. If I'm
Mhm.
having temperature, take Crocin or Dolo. But I was not having any temperature as such. So Vicodin I used to take like.
So you could not smell your coffee. That's the time you knew that yes,
Yeah,
there's
and
something wrong.
agarbatti, like I had lit in the agarbatti, and that time my COVID was not positive. It had not come,
Okay.
but I thought कि अरे मेरे को smell कैसे नहीं आया? Then I said कि ये अगरबत्ती अच्छा नहीं है करके smell नहीं आ रहा है. But then next day when coffee didn't smell, then कि ये है कि
Then you
coffee
knew.
का smell.
And
Yeah.
उसके बाद, how many days it took you to
Hmm.
slowly get back to normal? Like you could smell your coffee, etc.
Uh, 4 5 days na, I just forgot कि I cannot smell anything.
Okay.
Like there was no smell coming, and I just forgot about the smelling part. One day my sister had sent me a dabba with a chicken, and I opened and I was talking to one of my friend. Then I said, "अरे यार इसका smell बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है." She said, "अरे तेरे को smell आ रहा है, तो मतलब you are recovering like." So I said कि
That's
अच्छा
good.
अच्छा
And
smell आ रहा है.
and I've read also about the taste. Did you lose
Yeah,
sense of the taste also?
yeah. Only sweet we can taste. Rest nothing you can taste.
Okay, so you lost taste and smell.
Yeah, and
And
you
your
don't
food
lose
habits
weight, huh, with this.
and your food habits were the same. You used to eat normal ghar ka khana and all that.
Normal
How
घर
did you
का
manage?
खाना.
Did you cook yourself, or used to someone used to give you khana?
Initially, one of my neighbors, she used to supply food for all of us. Then,
Right.
since my mother-in-law has this nurse, she said, "Ki I'll cook for all of you." So the nurse is
So that's
cooking for us now.
and how did your neighbors react to this? They were all very
Oh my God, they
supportive.
are so good, so good. I never imagined. Well, like
Very nice.
I was always friendly with everybody, but the calls
Uh-huh.
I'm getting and everybody wanted to help me. Like somebody sending me kara, somebody wants to send me food. Then I said I don't
Right.
want to exchange the utensils because then
Right.
utensils से किसी को होना नहीं चाहिए. So if you have
Right.
disposable, give me in disposable करके. And
Right.
everybody like if you want medicine any time of a night, you just call us. We'll get everything for you. So it was
That's
very
very nice.
helpful.
Very,
Yeah,
very
yeah.
supportive.
Very
So
supportive.
so did the government trace, like how did you get it? Did you get to know
No,
exactly what was the source? No.
no, but now I feel that there were some workers in the building. Uh,
Okay.
uh, there was some building work going on, and then they wanted cylinder. So I had given my car, and one of the drivers from the neighborhood who used to stay in the containment zone, he had taken my car out. And I had
Okay.
gone out to get some medicine for my mother-in-law in the same car. So I think so. Maybe उधर से भी आया होगा करके. Maybe
So
that is what I thought today morning.
Did the government or the health department trace whom you
No,
came across with? Nothing like that happened.
They
So
told
how
me.
will you,
They told me कि अभी I wanted that quarantine stamp on my hand so I could put it on Instagram. So I told her कि why don't you give me the stamp करके. She said कि अरे educated लोगों को क्या stamp देना, you yourself are getting quarantine. So I was waiting for that कि अभी then finally I thought 70 days होने के बाद I'm going to put on Instagram कि मेरा हो गया करके COVID का. So I have
okay,
created a herd community as such कि चलो हो है. We have
that's
antibodies for
nice.
that now.
That's nice. And what will you suggest others who are still fearful and means it's very difficult to stop ourselves from getting this, right? It's so very
Yeah.
contagious. And so what will you suggest us?
Firstly, keep your mental balance proper. There are so many people who will call up and they are in such a bad tone. They say कि कैसे करोगे आप? So you have to just cut down their phones. लेना नहीं. Switch off all
Okay.
your TVs and all the news. And whenever a negative thought comes inside your mind, and it do come when you see all everything around, you have to say कि अपना भगवान का, like I used to say, Datta Guru, just help me out of this. And I do a lot of positive visualization that like I have been always doing that. So it
Right.
helped me with this ki, I used to say ki, abhi kal subah no symptoms for me. I came up with conjunctivitis after that. थोड़ा सा
Okay.
symptoms था conjunctivitis का. Then they said कि maybe your immunity is low अभी करके होएगा. But every day I used to do this visualization. कि I am going to my house and the first thing I said, I'm still not done with life. अब मेरे को अभी और जीना है करके.
That's
So
nice.
this was good. Like.
That's nice. So now you have done the test and it has come negative.
No, it has not come negative because they are not doing any test now. They said
Oh,
10
right.
days of
Now,
no. Yeah.
now the new rule is they'll not be doing any test.
10 days of no fever and
Okay.
17 days of quarantine, you are free.
And you feel normal, you can smell, you can taste, and
Yeah. Everything normal.
that's good. That's good. The
I
situation
took
in
a lot
the
of steam also. I
steam,
used to steam a lot.
inhalation.
Yeah. Inhalation.
Gargling, did you do gargling as well?
Yeah. 3-4 times gargling with betadine, then haldi and namak water. Everything.
कुछ नहीं
I
छोड़ा
did
आपने?
everything. कुछ नहीं छोड़ा मैंने. जो भी like my mother used to call me up and say कि अच्छा ये करके देखो. And then I used to say okay, I'll do that. Doctor used to say betadine करो. Betadine 3 times. गरम पानी पियो. गरम पानी
चलो
पियो.
वो भी कर लेते. Okay, all right.
सब कर
So
लेते हैं.
essentially, if you are healthy, your immunity is pretty good, then you would be able to fight it out very easily.
Yeah.
And hot water, gargling, steam, vitamin C, D, zinc, good food, and most importantly, keep calm.
Your mental, keep calm.
Keep calm.
And not to watch any TV and all those, and watch good movies.
Good movies.
Good movies, whichever you feel are your movies. Like
in a slightly worst case scenario, when you were positive, did the doctors tell you कि track yourself, और अगर 100 के ऊपर fever जाता है, then you are supposed to record these things to them on a regular basis, or
yeah.
okay.
I used to
So
send my oximeter ka photo, my thermometer photo to this BMC health workers, also my physician and all my doctor friends. Everybody wanted my 4 times whatever details I am giving them.
So this is to send 4 times in a day.
4 times in a day.
And I think the protocol would be something like if there are signs that it is getting worse, then you probably have to leave the home and get admitted, etc.
Yeah. Only if you are having breathlessness, then you have to get admitted.
Only
fever
if
is
you
not
have
an issue with it. Yeah.
Okay.
And I didn't put AC also. I say everybody told me don't put AC, stay in a warm atmosphere.
Yeah.
So that was better.
So you did not put the AC. You kept the environment warm.
Yeah.
All right. That's good. So keep calm, and if your supplements are fine and you're healthy enough, you would be able to deal with this easily.
Yes.
That's good. I think in your city the things are going little worse, means in the sense most of the cities in the country. And now we as a country, we are at the peak.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we are going through an unlock.
Yeah.
Unlikely unlock. So I think all of us should be a little more careful. But even after being careful, there's no guarantee that you may not
was
get
very much careful in everything. Like the amount of sanitizer I have used everywhere, and so much soap I've used. Like I was wondering कि मुझे कैसे हो गया. I have washed vegetables with the soap. Imagine that.
Oh gosh, okay.
Yeah, I have done that. So even the milk packets used to come. I used to keep a bucket outside my house. Keep वो bucket में डाले, सबके bucket में. So I've done everything. But then it has, yeah. ये जो होना है वो होता ही है. You just have to get out of it. Yeah.
That's good. I think this is
घबराना
very
नहीं है किसी को भी कि I'm going to get well. That is the only thing. The first thing I said कि मेरे को बराबर होना है. And I closed all of my open positions. That is the first thing I did. कि मेरे को झंझट नहीं चाहिए कुछ भी.
That's nice.
So Monday when I told my brother कि अरे मार्केट ऊपर गया, he said अरे you are back कि मार्केट ऊपर गया मतलब तुमको अभी you are feeling better करके. Yeah.
In fact, actually जब से आप क्वारंटाइन गई हो मार्केट ऊपर ही आया है.
हाँ. I should go in quarantine.
Figure out if there is any kind of a correlation there.
Yes.
जब भी आपका तबीयत थोड़ा नरम होता है, मे बी मार्केट ऊपर की तरफ रहता है. We can figure that.
Yes.
All right, ma'am. Thanks a lot for sharing your story. It was really motivating. This will help all our community members and others also with whom I share this video. I wish you all the best for your health and going forward in your marketplace also. Thanks a lot for sharing, and please take good care of yourself.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.